In this video, I'll show you how to use Veo AI in 2026. Veo is an AI video generation technology from Google that can create video content from prompts, and depending on the current version and interface, other supported inputs. To get started, open the official Veo experience available through Google's supported products and sign in with your Google account if required. Once you have access, explore the video generation interface. Start by writing a clear description of the video you want to create. Describe the subject, environment, camera movement, lighting, visual style, and overall action. For example, instead of simply saying a city, describe a cinematic nighttime city street with moving cars, reflections on wet pavement, and a slow camera movement. Submit your prompt and wait for the video to generate. Once the result is ready, preview it carefully. If the video isn't what you expected, improve your prompt by adding more specific details. Try changing the camera angle, movement, subject, lighting, or environment. Generate another version and compare the results. Remember that the exact Veo interface and available features can change over time, and that's how you can get started with Veo AI in 2026.